Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the euro versus US dollar. We're heading into the close. What is the price action and trading here today done? And what does it say about the price action maybe tomorrow? Let's get started. Well, like we've seen in a lot of days lately, the price action was down and then up and then back down again. So not trend-like, but we did have a higher low compared to yesterday's low yesterday. That's something positive, and we also did move above the 100-hour moving average. That's this blue line in this chart earlier today, but could not sustain momentum. In fact, in the hourly bar that it did break, we closed back below that 100-hour moving average. So it was very short-lived type of move. Certainly more short-lived than over here and over here and over here, where the price moved back above the 100-hour moving average, and even here. Where the price moved above that moving average and made some more headway to the upside, including getting above the 200-hour moving average. That was not even close in trading here today, so the price failed, moved back to the downside. What we also did was move back below this green line right here. This green overlaid line represents the 200-day moving average. So both the 100-hour moving average and the 200-day moving average were broken, but could not be sustained. The price is currently trading below both, tilting the bias more to the downside. This is what happens when the market goes up and down, and we're seeing more and more of that. So we have to just be aware and be prepared. Everyone's suffering because the market is not trending, and that is a part of trading. You always have an opportunity to sit out the dance if you choose. What we do know, however, is that there is going to be more risk events coming up, including lots of earnings coming out in the markets. This afternoon we have AMD, we have Microsoft, we have Alphabet, and then on Thursday we also have the likes of Meta and Amazon and Apple coming out on Thursday. And all that is prelude to the unemployment report that will be released on Friday, with expectations about 187 jobs and an unemployment rate of 3.8%. All that's going to come together in this big, huge pot, and hopefully move the market one way or the other. Wouldn't it be nice? Yes. What we do know from the chart is that we are below the 200-day moving average. We are below the 100-hour moving average. And as long as the price can remain below those moving averages and probably the 200-hour moving average, it's a green line in this chart, the bias remains more in favor of the sellers. On the downside, we have this swing area here, and this swing area goes back in time. I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart and look at all these different swing lows and swing highs within this area. And just below that is a 50% retracement. That 50% retracement is of the move up from this end of early October low to the high that we saw in the month of December. And as you can see in trading the other day, yesterday, as a matter of fact, the price came down to that 50% retracement and found support buyers. So as long as the price can remain below the 200-day moving average, the low of this swing area is our target. We also have the 50% retracement to get to and through. If we get below that level, the 100-day moving average would be the next target to get below. That level comes in at 1.07729. Last time we moved below that level was back here in the month of December. But as you can see, although the price dipped below that 100-day moving average on a number of different occasions, the price could not stay below that level on any of the occasions, and we ultimately moved to the upside. So getting that's the progression on the downside if this pair is going to go lower. Conversely, if the price does move back above the 200-day moving average, it opens the door for further momentum. Maybe this time it will take it a bit more seriously and start to move higher with the broken 38.2% retracement and the 100 and 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart as other targets on the top side. So there you have it, a detailed look at the euro versus US dollar as we head toward the close of trading on January 30th, as we look forward to tomorrow's trading. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.